Do you also receive a lot of leads through Instagram lead ads and want to manage that leads in your CRM easily? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video we are going to understand how to add leads from Instagram lead ads to Zoho CRM automatically. So as a business owner, I am running some Instagram lead ads to generate new leads for my business. And here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead, then automatically and instantly that lead should be created as a new contact in my Zoho CRM account. So now here to automate the entire process, I will connect my Instagram lead ad with my Zoho CRM account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you all to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So here on my screen you can see my Instagram account, and I've already connected my Instagram account with my Facebook account. So as you all know that I'm running some Instagram lead ads, and here my objective is, as soon as I'm going to receive a new lead through my Instagram lead ad, then automatically and instantly that lead should be added in my Zoho CRM account as a new contact. So now here, before learning about this process step by step, we are going to see that how actually this automation work. So here I've already built this automation where I've connected my Instagram lead ad with my Zoho CRM, and now here to see the working of this automation, we are going to generate a test lead inside our Instagram lead ad. So here to generate the test lead, we are going to use Lead Ads Testing Tool by Meta. So this is Lead Ads Testing Tool by Meta, and here I've selected my page, product and the form. So this is my lead form, and here I've already pre-filled some details such as service interest, best time to contact, first name, last name, email, phone number and the company name. So now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And you can see we have successfully generated a test lead inside our Instagram lead ad. So now let's go and check our Zoho CRM account. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact in our Zoho CRM with the name as dummy user. Here you can see the email address, mobile number and the contact owner. Alright, so this was all about the working of this amazing automation. And now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can build this automation using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access the Pabbly Connect, you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers, and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. There you can see two options. One is sign in and the another one is sign up free. If you're a new user, then click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user like me, then simply sign in. Now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From there you need to select Pabbly Connect by clicking on this access now, and it will direct you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, but here before moving forward, let me all tell you about the Pabbly community. So this is the Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. You can ask questions, share workflows and get instant replies and helpful feedback from others who have faced these similar challenges. It is an active and supportive space to learn and grow together. And now you can find the link to join the Pabbly community in the description box below. Make sure to check it out and join the Pabbly community as soon as possible. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner, and then it is asking me to select the workflow builder. So here you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. So beta version is modern, faster and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button, and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says add leads from Instagram lead ads to Zoho CRM automatically, and then here's asking me to select the folder. So in the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've already created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you need to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here, and it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move back to our Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this, that means action is a response towards that trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up our trigger. So we're going to click on this add trigger button, and here, as you all know, that I'm receiving new leads through my Instagram lead ads. So I'm going to select my trigger as Instagram lead ads and my app event as new lead instant. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Instagram lead ads account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Instagram lead ads. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then I'm going to click on this continue. And here you can see we are now successfully connected. So here it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Instagram and Facebook account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your accounts in the same browser. Or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for your account credentials first. And once you're going to add the credentials, then automatically and instantly your account will get connected inside Pabbly Connect. Alright, let's move forward. Here it is asking me to select the page and the lead gen form. So I've already shown you that I have my Facebook page with the name Digital Dynamics. So I'm going to select that particular page over here. And here for the lead gen form, let me take you to my Meta Business Suite. So here in my Meta Business Suite, I'm going to click on this All Tools option, and then I'm going to select Instant Forms. Now here in this lead ads form, you can see the forms that I've already created with different names. You can create your own lead form as per your requirement. I'm going to use a form that I have with the name Lead Ads Form. So I'm going to select that particular form over here. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be captured by Pabbly Connect. But if you want the leads of all the forms should be captured by Pabbly Connect, then you can select all lead gen forms. And now here after selecting the page and the lead gen form, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to turn on the simple response button in order to receive the response in simple organized format. So here if you wish to receive the response in an advanced format, that means in an array format, then you can simply turn it off. For now I have turned it on. Alright, so now I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here, and here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response we need to do a test submission, and to do a test submission we need to generate a test lead inside our Instagram lead ad. So now here to generate the test lead, let me take you back to my lead ads testing tool by Meta. So this is lead ads testing tool by Meta, and here I need to delete my previous lead in order to create a new one. Because it says you can create one lead per form, you will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So now here to delete my previous lead, I'm going to click on this delete lead button given over here. And it says your lead has been deleted. So now I'm going to refresh the window, and that's a necessary step. Now here refreshing the window, I'm going to select my page as Digital Dynamics, my product as lead retrieval, and my form as lead ads form. Then I'm going to click on this preview form. So this is my lead form, and now I'm going to enter some dummy details and make a test submission. So for the service interested, I'm going to select a random service, random best time to contact. Here for the first name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as user, email as test@pabblitudes.com. Here for the phone number, I'm going to add a random phone number. Then here for the company name, I'm going to add the name as ABC Company. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on this continue and then submit. And you can see we have successfully made a form submission over here. So let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received an instant response where we have received the service interest, best time to contact, first name, last name, email address, phone number, and the company name of our lead. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically and instantly, I want to add that lead in my Zoho CRM as a new contact. So for that, I'm going to add action step over here. Here I'm going to select my action application as Zoho CRM. and my app event as create contact. Then we are going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add a new connection. If your Zoho CRM account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, I'm going to click on this connect with Zoho CRM. And here to connect the application, it is asking me to add the domain. So it says enter the domain your Zoho account belongs to. So now here to get the domain, let me take you back to my Zoho CRM account, and here you can see in the path URL my domain is zoho.com. So I'm going to copy the first domain and then I'm going to paste it over here. Then I'm going to click on the save. And here you can see Pabbly Connect is requesting for the access. So I'm going to give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So again, it easily got connected because here I was already logged in my Zoho CRM account. So to build an easy connection, make sure you're already logged in your Zoho CRM account in the same browser. Or else if you're building a new connection, then it is going to ask for your account credentials first. Alright, let's move forward. Here for the lead source, I'm going to select my source as advertisement from the drop down. You can select it as per your requirement. There it is asking me to add the first name, last name, email and some other details. So now here instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that when you're going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically and instantly this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So for the first name, I'm going to map my lead's first name. Here I'm going to map the last name. Here I'm going to map the email address. Here this title and department are not required fields. I'm going to leave them blank. Here for the phone number, I'm going to map my lead's phone number. And here for the mobile number, I'm going to map the same number. Scrolling little down, here these fields are not required fields, so I'm going to leave all of them blank. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully added that lead in our Zoho CRM account. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new contact with the name test user. Here you can see the email address and the phone number. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So if you have selected a trigger as Instagram lead ads and an action as Zoho CRM, so that when you're going to receive a new lead through Instagram lead ad, then automatically and instantly that lead will be added in our Zoho CRM account as a new contact. Alright, so these were the steps to how to add leads from Instagram lead ads to Zoho CRM automatically. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also if you have any doubts, then feel free to drop them in the comments below. And I would be really happy if you let us know that what type of automation you would like to see the next. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.